In this video lesson I will show you what is a pip value calculator for the GBP against Australian dollar. And you will have a link for this pip value calculator below in the description, so you can also check the article and also use this pip value calculator. The article will show you how the calculations are done, how to calculate manually for what is one pip value for the base currency, for the quote currency, or for example a third currency that is not equal to GBP or Australian dollar. So this will be, for example, US dollar. And also below that, at the end, you will have how to calculate a pip profits based on the price difference in different currencies. Let me show you what is a pip value calculator, which fields does it have, and how to use it. First field is the number of pips, and that means you enter here how many pips you would like to make the calculations for. In this case I will leave 1 and click calculate, and I will get 6.38 US dollar as a pip value. So 1 pip is equal to $6.38. Second instrument is GBP against Australian dollar, and this is the instrument or currency symbol I would like to make the calculation. Then you have here the number of units, which represents also the lot size, and the one lot has 100,000 units. If you would like to use number of lots, simply go here and change the lots, and it will be 1 or any other value that you would like to have. In my calculations I would like to have 1 lot, so I will leave 100,000 units or 1 lot. Here as a deposit currency I have put US dollar because on the trading platform I am using trading account which has US dollar as a deposit currency. If you have any other currency as a deposit currency, you can simply change that here inside this pip value calculator. If you have euro, you can simply change this one to euro, and then you will get calculation for the pip value in euros. Then you have here GBP Australian dollar 1 pip size, and that means at which decimal point is 1 pip in the price on the trading platform. In this case is on the 4th decimal point. If you go to the trading platform, you can see that my trading platform is showing a price with 5 decimal point, where the 5th decimal point is the number of pipettes. So the number of pips is visible on the 4th decimal point, which is okay and in line with this one. Then you have additional a price here, for example for the US dollar against Australian dollar. That means additional symbol that is needed to calculate a pip value in a US dollar in the deposit currency, and that means a currency that is not any of these two inside the instrument. So I need additional price which has US dollar in it to make the calculation for the US dollars. If you would like to see why is this used and also how to make calculation for the third currency that is not one of these two, simply go here in the article and you will see how to make calculation for the third currency. Now let me show you an example on the trading platform how to use this pip value calculator. Go to the trading platform, click new order and open new order. I will set the volume to 1, which is a 1 lot. Click sell or buy, doesn't matter. And immediately you will see here inside the column where the profit is, the number of pips and also what is the current profit or loss. In my case I am in minus, which means I am lost by 4.4142, which means 4.2 pips, and it will be 26.70, 26.81. So when I put inside the pip value calculator the same number of pips, for example 4.2, click, I get 26.81. When I go here to the trading platform and when I have 4.2, the same value for the number of pips, I should get the same value as a profit or loss. It will be a little bit hard to predict the same number of pips at the same time on the trading platform, because you can see that the price for GBP Australian dollar is changing very fast. But if you wait for a while, you will see how this change and it will be the same value. But to show you another thing, let's change and put stop loss and take profit on this trade. Let's put 100,000 units, which means 100 pips. Click modify, and on the trading platform now you will see a take profit and stop loss. when you put here your mouse on the take profit line, you will see that the profit is 639.02 US dollars, which means with the pips 1001. So if you use a pip value calculator and put one here, 100 pips.1, click calculate, you should get the same value. So I got here 638.89, which means, just a minute, 638.89. You can see that small difference in $1 is made because of the price difference inside the calculations. It is calculations made here on the trading platform and inside the pip value calculator, but the price difference is almost the same. So for example, if you would like to make calculation for the take profit based on the number of pips before opening an order, you can simply use this pip value calculator. So for example, if you put 100 pips and you know that you would put stop loss or take profit with 100 pips, you will know that that means you would make or lose or put stop loss take profit to 638.25 US dollars. That means before opening an order, you can know what will be take profit or the stop loss in the deposit currency you currently have on the trading platform. So if the number of pips is okay and the stop loss and take profit are okay in deposit currency, then you can continue an open order with the number of pips. So you can see how to use this pip value calculator before opening order to help you calculate the correct risk management for the stop loss and the take profit. If you have any questions regarding this pip value calculator, simply leave a comment and I will try to answer your question in the following videos. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!